Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Today I am keeping it simple, what stands out, what to check, and who the bedside lamp is for. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Control lights from smartphones and tablets * with the Legrand Home Plus control app. Even schedule lights to turn. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Works with virtually any 120V dimmable bulb or fixture and installs easily in place of an existing switch, neutral. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Features ultra-reliable performance through a robust and dedicated mesh network. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are warm ambience, easy lighting, and home upgrade. The one caution is simple, check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict, the bedside lamp looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.